Nabay mall sa choices, Sir Jade. Pero 1 point lang ang mall. Naka-chance na para Church. Nabay church, Sir Jade. Sige. So, since nabay point nga ako si Ma'am Sweet, pass or play? Play. Sige. Next round sa may representative every group. So the pop, sa inyong representative. Okay, another 8 answers on the board. Show questions, Sir Jade. Famous Christmas characters. 3. Kamay sa dibdib. 3, 2, 1, go!
Grinch.
The Grinch. Nama si The Grinch? Sir Jade? 30 points. Pero napay mas higher na number 1. Kinsa? Oh no! Famous. Famous Christmas character. Santa Claus. Sir Jade, nama? Okay! So, mas naka si Sir JL of points. Dili man, okay. So, Sir JL, pass or play?
Play.
Okay. Dito, bahit na na eh. It's ang next. Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer. Nama, Sir Jade? Yeah! Another guess.
Snowman or
Frosty the Snowman. Nama, Sir Jade? Mickey or Mickey Mouse? Mickey or Mickey Mouse? Apa? Famous Christmas characters. Reindeer. The Red-Nosed Reindeer. Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer. Come on na. So, last chance. One famous Christmas character. Okay, 3 seconds. Olaf daw, si Olaf. Nama si Olaf, Sir Jade. Okay, so Team Solopop has a chance to steal 100 points. Ikan sa 1. Kinsa man ang famous Christmas character na naiwan.
Mamacita.
The Nutcracker. Sir Jade, nakabarya si Nutcracker. Okay, so round 1 si Jack Frost. Nama si Buddy the Elf. Si Tiny Tim. O si Mrs. Claus. Okay. Show question, Sir Jade. Christmas tree decorations. Kamay sa dibdib. 3, 2, 1, go!
Christmas balls.
Christmas balls. Sir Jade, na ba?
Christmas balls.
Okay, na. Pato. Pero na pa yung mas higher Christmas balls. So, Ma'am Carla.
Christmas tree.
Christmas tree. Christmas tree, na ba?
Decoration man. Christmas tree
Decoration. Master play. Again, akong balingon, ang question, Christmas tree decorations. Christmas lights, na ba, Sir Jade? Yan. Star or Christmas star, na ba? Yan. Again, Christmas tree.
Christmas bell.
Christmas bells, na ba, Sir Jade? tree decoration.
Ay, Christmas.
Ribbon, Sir Jade. Na ba? Oh. Christmas tree decorations.
Parang gift eh. Pusit siya. Christmas tree.
Christmas tree. Na ba? Okay, last chance. Christmas tree decorations.
Nativity nga picture.
Nativity ko ang picture na ka, Sir Jade? Oh, wala. So, Team Soda Pop, you had a chance to steal the 57 points. Christmas tree decoration. Okay, ang answer nila sa mistletoe na ba? Okay. Sige. Mistletoe na ba, Sir Jade? Okay, wala. Team Taylor Swift, Yansa. 150. Kamay sa dibdib. Another 8 aside. Okay, show question. Christmas Eve traditions. 3, 2, 1, go! Christmas Eve tradition. Simbang gabi. Nakaba, Sir Jade?
Yes, number 1.
Yeah! Okay. So since mga natap answer, pass or play, mga Lily?
Play.
Okay. Play. Okay. Ang question is Christmas Eve traditions. Presents. Christmas Eve traditions. Dance. Fireworks. Fireworks. Dance fireworks. Ano? Fireworks. Fireworks.
New Year, magdalaway?
Fireworks. Dance sa'yo. Oh, oh, Final. Five, four. Bibo, kwarta. Nakaba sa Eugene? Okay, so Team Soda Pop naka-gain of 92 points. 133 Soda Pop, Team Taylor Swift 157. Okay, so isa answer ba Sir Eugene? Words with snow. Snowman Sir Eugene, nakaba? Okay. May tapon, Ma'am Marlene. Snow words, now no. Okay. Team Taylor Swift. Isa na ako ang gusto answer lang. Isa ang answer sa inyo. Okay, final answer. Snowball, Sir Jade, na ba? Yeah. So, Team Taylor Swift, nakagain ng 66 points. Kailan ba? 57? As your question, all-time classic movies in Christmas in 3, 2, 1. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Sige, 9. Kasi, pinakaw na nag...
Diyan, online, sa line, dapat mukhaan sa line.
Sige, 1, 2, 3, go!
Teka, swing ko, late.
Ano may one na yan?
1 point na yan.
Gigihuyok man
Oh, ito yung nakakon.
Last taon na lang nila.
Dali, ang linya, dali, ang linya. Sige, wala na ikaw. Oh, sige, Bailo, bailo. Hotel. Sige, dala ang iwan, ang linya, ang linya. Ayaw, maghul. Tutupo mo. Tutupo mo. Ikaw. Magtupo sa mga, magtupo sa. Na, anak, ayaw mo pag-asa ka. Pariato, pariato. Besok 5. Una ba ka 5 ba? Okay. Rina, Rina. Besok 5. Okay.
Walis, 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 walis.
Layo kay Kateng, layo na Kateng.
Besok 5, besok 5. Last ball din sa 5.